There continues to be an increasing demand for sustainability in everything we do, and that must and does include construction and the products used for construction. However, sustainability of products has to be viewed in several ways to make any sense. This includes the production or creation, the performance and longevity, and the reuse or end of life and disposal. The simplistic view has been that natural products are the most sustainable. But if these are less beneficial in their usage or short-lived and needing replacing over the life of the building, then these factors must be considered when judging sustainability. Insulation falls into this category as PIR has a poorer carbon footprint than some other insulants when comparing the initial production. However, because PIR insulation provides some of the best thermal performance, that is, low thermal conductivity compared to other insulants, and let's remember that is its principal purpose, once installed in a building, it requires no further maintenance and will continue to perform and outperform other insulants for the life of the building. Our industry is also beginning to introduce the mass balance principle and biopolyols into the feedstock that produces PIR insulation, and we are working on solutions for reuse and end-of-life strategies if a building is demolished. But generally, the aim should be for the lifespan of buildings to be continually extended, thereby increasing the building's sustainability criteria, and with PIR insulation performing in the building throughout that time.